Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PPHM. We will take a look at the daily time frame. I've done this analysis quite a few times and want to keep it updated, especially after it got off to a very nice start to the week today. Didn't close at all-time new highs or anything like that, but what's really standing out to me is where this new low seems to be. Now, I'm not going to beat this dead horse as I've talked about it before, but 31.5 cents, which is represented by this green line, is definitely the must-hold level from the big picture perspective. If you're interested in that, you can go back in the video archive and watch the video from a few days ago. But I don't want to talk about that. In fact, I'm actually going to get rid of that line. Reason for that is the purple line here, which you can see, was going down, then finally went flat, and is now starting to curl upwards. And then also to combine that with the next couple of days, that purple line is going to cross up above the green line. That is the famous 50-day simple moving average. So from a presentation standpoint, and just wanted to keep this as simplistic as possible, I'm going to get rid of that and just talk about that being now the new key big picture indicator, meaning as long as the price is above that 50-day simple moving average, which again, moving average, so it is going to continue to draw itself. And I like to call moving averages, tread lines for lazy people, because, as time goes by, that quote unquote tread line is going to draw itself up like this. So when you stop and think about it, well, what does the price have to do in order to stay above a line that's increasing like that? An uptrend line. Well, that implies that the price has to put in higher lows as time goes by. And that's what an uptrend is, right? Prices put in higher lows. And that's why I love charts. If you look at them the right way, they pretty much insult your intelligence. So to me, from the big picture, all about the purple line. Now, if you are a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 12 seconds, then yeah, I get it. You don't care about that purple line. But I am, again, talking about this from the big picture perspective. So 50-day simple moving average, what it's all about from the overall perspective of things. Now, as far as kind of near term, I'm not going to mark this out officially. But what seems to be happening is the bulls are trying to build, a support right up here around the 35, 36 cent area. And if the price can continue to hold up above that area, so, going forward, if the price looks or the chart looks something like that, that would definitely be a good sign of strength. But if the price does drop below it, I'm not saying everything's ruined or anything like that, because again, it's still well above the 50-day simple moving average. What about levels of resistance? As it stands right now, 38 cents. You can see now a couple different occasions the prices try to get up above there and couldn't quite do it. So 38 cents, definitely public enemy number one going forward. But big picture perspective, in my opinion, not really breaking levels of resistance, not a huge priority, but just build those higher bases and the chart will take care of itself over the long run. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.